This is a tutorial on how to create a photo gallery in Widgetkit. I'm going to log into the back end of my website, and here I am at the control panel. What we're going to do is, I have already uploaded my images. Now I could do that beforehand. Since I uploaded quite a few, I went ahead and did that through the Media Manager. So if I need to upload my images, I can go through Media Manager. I could do it from a brand new article, or I could actually do it from Widgetkit. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into creating this photo gallery. And first we're going to go to Components, and then we're going to go to Widgetkit. And then we're going to click on New. Right now we don't have any widgets in here, so I'm going to create a brand new one. And we're going to select a content type. I want a custom. And I want this to be a gallery. So I'm going to click on Gallery, and then I'm going to click on Create. Okay, I'm going to give it a name. I'm just going to call this Homecoming Gallery. And I'm going to go ahead and add some items. So I'm going to add my media. Here's my pictures, and I'm going to go down here to my Homecoming pictures. And I'm just going to select the entire folder. And you'll see it adds all of them. So here's all my different homecoming pictures, and I can scroll through and look at all of them. I can change the title. It's automatically titled it by what the file is named. But if I wanted to retitle this, I could type my own title. And I'll do that on just a couple. And that's how that would look. Okay, so these are all the items that's going to be used in here, and these are different pictures. If I wanted to link them to something or a different web page, we could do that down here. I want to actually create this slideshow so that it has a column effect in it. These are pretty sizable pictures, and it's going to have a lightbox effect that allows you to actually enlarge that image once you create it. So let's go over here and let's work on some settings. So we're going to click right over here on the settings. And the first thing's going to be our layout. The behavior, if you match height, what that means is it's going to put it in blocks that are equal, so that it doesn't stack it if you have different size photos. So maybe you have one in portrait and one in landscape. It'll kind of make a nice collage for you that way. I'm just going to leave it at the default. I'm going to give it a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to go with small because these are pretty large. Alright, so columns. These are pretty big landscape photos, so I'm going to just say one on a phone. Well, we could do two with portrait. Photo landscape, we'll just have one. On a tablet, I think we can fit two, and we'll just go on with two, and then two. And animation, how do I want these to show up? I think I'll slide them left. Okay, great. So now we've got the layout. I'm going to go ahead and save. Next, we're going to go down here to Media. This is really important if you're doing a landscape photo. What happens if you go in and save this and add it to an article, and you go in to preview it and your images look squished? This would be why. I usually like to go in here and give this a width. So I want it to be 100%. And I'm just going to leave that at auto. And everything else down here looks good. And I'm going to save and close. Okay, so here's our widget, but of course it's not actually inserted into any content yet. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to Content, and I'm going to add this to an article. So we're going to go to Content, Articles, and Add New Article. And down here in my JCE, I'm going to click there, and I'm just going to kind of scroll. In the quickest and easiest way, there is some syntax you could manually type in, or you could just go right down here to this little button that says Widgetkit. It'll put all the available widget kits, and you can just select the one that you want. And you'll see what it does is it adds the syntax that actually calls this into our article. So I'm going to give my article a title. I'm going to call it Homecoming Photo Gallery. And I'm going to go over here, and it's in the Widgetkit, which is just a category block so that we can actually preview this. And I'm going to click on Save and Close. Now I'm going to go back to my site and refresh, and when we go to Widgetkit examples, here is our homecoming photo gallery. So let's click on it and take a look. Here's what it looks like. And this is how it is matching the height. You notice that it is straight aligned with each other, no matter what the portrait or landscape size is. If I wanted to change that, I could actually go back into my Widgetkit, so I don't really like that white space, and go to Settings, and instead of Match Height, I'm going to go to Dynamic Grid. And let me show you how that looks. So I want to click on Save. Now if I refresh, you'll notice that it kind of makes it a little bit more equal around these and lays them out just a little bit differently. And there it is my animation sliding to the left. Alright, thank you.